Nie rób jeden. Alright, so this is going to be my review for the Cozy Max. It's also known as the Yabano Espresso maker. I got this yesterday through Amazon. So I want you to see what happens. You start that up. It says that when it's blinking, then it is warming up. I'm going to grab my filter cup for 2 cups. I'm going to put that in there. I've got my coffee grounds right here. We're gonna load up the filter with the coffee grounds. We'll go ahead and tamp this down. This was provided with the as you can see, they're still blinking and it's still warming up. So you notice that the gauge on here never starts moving, never shows that it's warm or getting warm. And the only time that that actually moves is when you turn the machine on. So I'm going to put my cup underneath here. We're going to wait for this to warm up, and this does actually get a little bit warm. They recommend that you can put your coffee cup up here to warm your cup, but it never gets that warm. So now that it's solid, that means according to the instructions that it's ready to go. I'm going to push the 2 cups. You can see that the needle moves. And it looks like it works fine. I'm going to grab my thermometer so we can see what the actual temperature of the coffee is when it comes out. So right now I'm showing about 74 degrees in here. This is now done. We're going to stick this in here. And it shows 143.6 degrees. I'm going to do a second video with the steamer mechanism here on the side.